Hello children, hope you all enjoying your summer holidays. So today your map has brought you an amazing activity for you. Okay, so let us see what is the activity. I hope you guessed it. Yes, you guessed it right. Today we are going to make lemonade. Yes, to make lemonade, what are the things we need? See, we need sugar, a glass of water, a little bit salt, lemons, yes, and to stir it properly we need a spoon also. Yes, so are we all ready to make our own lemonade? Yes, so let's start the activity then. So at first what we will do, we will take this cutout of lemon and we will squeeze it on our glass of water. Okay, but remember one thing, we should not cut this lemon ourselves. Okay, take any elder's help. Okay, ask them to cut the lemon into 2 pieces. Alright, now take the half piece of lemon and squeeze it nicely. Yes, nicely squeeze it like this. And now what we will do? Our next step is take 2 spoons of sugar and add into the lemonade like this. And now it's time for our salt. Take a very little salt, okay, like this, and add it into the lemonade and stir it nicely. Yes, you have to stir it, okay, properly until the sugar and salt dissolve in the water. Now we can see there are salt and sugar, right, at the bottom of the glass. Yes, so we have to stir it until this sugar and salt vanishes. Yes. So let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes. Now we can see that our water is very clear. So our sugar and salt is already dissolved. Now our lemonade is ready to drink. But is it looking good? So we need some decorations also, isn't it? Yes. So for decoration, what we need? Yes, see, I have cutout of lemon. So let us place this cutout like this. And now what we need? We need a magical straw. Yes, see, I have made my own straw using a cutout of an umbrella. So you can make your own straw also. Okay? So now, does this look nice? Yes. So now our lemonade is ready. Taste it and enjoy it. And remember one thing, you have to make it and you have to serve it to the others also. Alright? Yes. And now listen. One more thing. So as it is summer season, so let us recite the rhymes also. Okay? Now say with me. Summer is here, sun is shining all the way. Oh, what fun it is to make lemonade every day. Yay! So now enjoy your lemonade. Okay? Now it's time for some summer tips. Okay? Are you all ready for the summer tips? Yes? Dun-dun-dun. So here is the summer tip. So as it is very hot outside, the sun is shining very brightly and it is very hot, right? So remember one thing, whenever you want to go outside, we need to carry umbrella, sunglass, cap and water bottle along with us. Alright? Yes. So stay hydrated and enjoy your summer. Bye bye students.